Okay, so yesterday's topic, what we did, counting number of shapes in geometric figure, correct? So same thing, we were to same. Let us do the same thing today, different example. So, how should we start? What is the technique there? For each corner, alphabets you should give. Okay, alphabets you should write and order ಅಲ್ಲಿ count ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, you should follow an order. Okay, so first, which alphabet in the start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ counting?
A.
A. So with A, what is the first combination? First combination ಏನ್ check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? With after A, which letter should I take? Combination A B, correct. Yes, A B A C A D. ಆ ಥರ ಆ combination ಅಲ್ಲಿ we should write down the whatever shape. Triangle ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 letters consider ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now suppose question is find number of squares or number of rectangles. In that case, square or rectangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ how many corners will be there? How many corners in a square? This is a triangle. How many corners are there here?
3.
3. So ABC. Okay, so I can ABC andre idu triangle. It will become a triangle. So consider a rectangle. How many corners are there in a rectangle?
4.
4.
4.
So, yes, correct. 4. So I can write it as A, B, C, D. So 4 letters we should write. Correct? So figurally, if you have to count number of number of squares or number of rectangles, so avaga 4 letters you should count. Okay? So we will start with a question. Okay, so this is the figure. So first question, same figure there are 2 questions. Okay, first question is we should count number of triangles. Okay, first question is number of triangles. Second question is number of rectangles. So first let us start with triangles. So illi first step ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What should I do here? First step, my first step here is to write down the alphabets, correct? First corners, let us mark corners. Okay, so idu red color inda I will mark all the corners first. These are all corners. Okay, so quickly tell me how many corners are there here?
Ma'am, 14.
14.
14.
Okay. Yes, so 14 corners ಇದೆ. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What should I do next step?
Ma'am, alphabets.
Correct. Next step is to write alphabets. So each corner I should give one alphabet. So let us start. I'll start with A, B, this is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, so this is done. So till here ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಡೂ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ mark all the corners, each corner ge give an alphabet. Okay, so that is what we did till here. Now we should count number of triangles. So first, which letter should I start?
A.
Correct. So A in the first combination, what should I take? First combination? AB. Yes. So let us start with AB. So tell me, what is the first triangle with AB? AB combination in the which triangle is there?
ABC.
Correct. ABC is one triangle. ABC is one triangle. Correct. Next, AB in the, is there one more triangle?
ABD.
Correct. ABD is one more triangle. ABD. Notice this is also one triangle. Okay, ABD done. Next, any possibility with AB? AB in the, is any other triangle possible?
No, ma'am.
No, because ABE, ABF, ABG, idella, nothing is possible with AB. So AB combination is done. So after AB, next combination ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? AC. Correct. So AC in the which triangle is possible?
ACD.
ACD. Correct. ACD. This is one triangle. So okay, AC in the any other possibility? Check ಮಾಡಿ. ACD over. Check if any other possibility. ACD, ACE, ACF, ACG, ACH, ACI. No other possibility. With AC,
No, ma'am.
no, there no other triangle. So AC combination is also done. Next, after AC, which combination?
AD.
AD in the same triangle repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct. ACD ಅಲ್ವಾ? Now with AD you will get ADC. ಅಂದ್ರೆ same ಇದೇ triangle ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So with AD also there is no possibility. Correct? Because same triangle repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So D in the, there is no possibility. Next, AE in the, let us check. Tell me with AE.
AEG.
AEG. Correct. AEG. Okay. Next, one more answer I got. What is it?
AEI.
AEI. Correct. AEI. Correct. That's correct. So any other possibility? ಬೇರೆ triangle ಏನಾದರೂ, is it possible with AE?
No, ma'am.
No. So AE combination done. After AE, which is the next combination? AF possible illa, because AF between A and F there is no line. AG combination check ಮಾಡಿ.
AGI.
Correct. AGI. Okay, AGI, AGE andre same, already AEG we wrote, so it is not, it is repeated, so not AGI. So AG combination is done. Next, AH not possible. AI in the same triangles repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so AI also we can't take. Next, AJ it is not possible. Why? Because between A and J line ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. So if there is no line, obviously triangle shape there is no possibility. So similarly, AK is not possible. AL in the, is there any possibility? Check ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
AL. No. AL in the, there is no possibility. AM and AN also not possible. So finally letter A is done. How many triangles? Letter A in the, how many possibilities we got? 6. Yes. So now we will go to letter B. So B in the first combination ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? BC. So check with BC. Is there any triangle with BC? But A include ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Now B start ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, right? So we should not consider A. All A combinations ಈ 6 triangles ಅಲ್ಲಿ complete ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, so now B, when we start with B, A consider ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. You should not take A. So check ಮಾಡಿ with BC any triangle, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Next, check with BD.
No, ma'am.
With BD, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No. Next, BE.
BEF.
Correct. BEG ಅಲ್ಲ, BEG ನೋಡಿ,
BEF.
BEF is possible.
BEF.
Yes, BEF is possible. BEG ಬರಲ್ಲ because B and G ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is no line between B and G. Okay, so BEF is done. So BE in the there is no other triangle possible. Next combination BF. BF in the any other triangle?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
no.
ma'am.
It's not possible. Next, BG not possible because line and there is no connection. BH not possible. BI not possible. BJ not possible. BK in the, is it possible? Check ಮಾಡಿ. BK. Any triangle bharatha with BK combination?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
BM
ma'am.
not possible.
No, ma'am.
BM not possible. BN also not possible. So with B combination, one triangle bantu. Letter B is done. Next, C in the, let's check. So first combination ಏನ್ start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with C?
CD.
CD. So CD in the any triangle possible?
No, ma'am.
No. CE also not possible because there is no connection. CF not possible. CG in the check ಮಾಡಿ. Is there any triangle with CG?
CGE.
One ನಿಮಿಷ.
CGI.
CGI. C and I ಅಲ್ಲಿ, is there any link? C and I, between C and I, is there a line?
CGE.
Okay, CGE if you take, E and C ಅಲ್ಲಿ, is there a line between E and C?
No, ma'am.
No. So ಅದೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. CGE ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That's it. ಇದು C, ಇದು G, ಇದು E. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ in the figure. Is there a connection between E and C?
No, ma'am.
No. That's why it is not a triangle. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now CE not possible. CF not possible. CG not possible. CHCI also not possible. CJ, CK not possible. CL in the try ಮಾಡಿ. Is it possible? CL.
No, ma'am.
No triangle. So CM, CN also not possible. So with letter C, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು combination? We don't have any triangle. So okay, letter C also completed. We checked. Come to letter D. So which combination should I start?
DE. DHI.
Yes, DHI is correct. One by one, let's check. DHI. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, D and E ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is no line, so not possible. DF also no line, not possible. DG no connection, not possible. With DH there is one triangle which is DHI. DH in the, is there any other triangle?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. So DI in the same triangle will repeat. Okay. So DJ no connection. DK no line. DL no line. DM in the any triangle?
No, ma'am.
No. DN also not possible. So with D we got one triangle. Letter D is done. Okay. Now quickly, ivaga fast speed, increase your speed and tell me with E which combination?
EF.
EF. So quickly tell me EF in the any triangle possible. Ivaga ಈ 4 letters consider ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. No A, no B, no C, no D. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay. So you should only consider bottom letters. Only ಈ region ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Top 4 letters we have checked. ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ repeat ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. So now check with EF. Any possibility?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. EF, EG, EH, EI ಇದೆಲ್ಲ possible ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. Because it is all a straight line. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ there is no triangle. Now move to next letter F. FG, FH, FI, any triangle? ಇಲ್ಲಿ only squares ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. There is no triangle in this region. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how many letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 ಈ 10 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ now this is the number of triangles. Count and tell me what is the number of triangles.
8.
Yes,
8,
1
ma'am.
2 3
8, ma'am.
4 5 6 7 8. Correct. So 8 is the answer. So ee figure alli there are 8 triangles. Understood everyone how to solve such question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now quickly we will do the next question. The next question is same figure, everything same, but ivaga we should count the number of rectangles. Okay? Count the number of rectangles. So same procedure. We should start with letter order alli we should proceed. Okay? A in the if you take rectangle andre enu, it should have 4 sides like this. Correct? 4 sides. This is a rectangle. Okay, but ivaga A nodi, A is at the top of a triangle. Is any rectangle possible with letter A? Quickly check madi and tell me if it's possible with letter A. Any combination? A, B,
No,
A,
ma'am.
C, A, D. Yes, no combination. ನೀವು any combination select ಮಾಡಿ with A ಅಲ್ಲಿ rectangle ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay, because it is at the tip of triangle. Okay, so A letter is not possible. A check ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now let us start with B. First combination ಏನು start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
BC.
Okay, BC. So now BC ಇಂದ tell me if rectangles, how many one by one rectangles ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Tell me.
BCG. Yes.
Repeat, can you repeat? BCGF. Correct. BCGF. Correct. That is one rectangle. Next, one more with BC. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. there is one more rectangle with BC.
BCGH.
BC ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ but GH ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is like this. See, this is BC.
BCLK.
Yes, correct. BCLK. This is the second rectangle. Ivaga someone said BCGH alva. BCGH ante it will come like this. BC is here, GH is here. Idu join ಮಾಡಿ rectangle ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Is this a rectangle? Is this rectangle?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, that's why I understood why
No,
it's not BCGH. Okay, because ಇದು rectangle ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, so okay, so next with BC, any other rectangle possible?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, next combination after BC, which is the next combination? BD. Okay, tell me with BD first rectangle, Haley. What is the first combination?
BDHF.
BDHF. Correct. Next.
BDMK.
BDMK.
Correct. BDMK is correct. Any other possibility?
No, ma'am.
No, it is
No,
not
ma'am.
possible. Yes, so no other possibility. Okay, so BC, BD, ivaga BE in the you cannot make a triangle because it is you cannot make a rectangle. Check madi with BE any rectangle is possible?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
BF, what about
No,
BF?
ma'am.
No, because BF in the barutte but it is already repeated here. Illi nodi, illi and illi F is already there. BF. Okay, BCGF and BDHF. So illi F already repeat aitu. So with F also you won't get one more. B and G not possible. BH not possible. BI not possible. BJ not possible. BK already illi repeat aitu. Okay, BL not possible. BM not possible, and BN is also not possible. So letter B is done. Understood everyone? Letter B. Any doubt with letter B?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Let us start with C now. Okay, let us start with C. First combination with C.
CGHD.
1 minute. CD. CD alva. First starting combination is CD. So tell me what is the rectangle?
CDHG.
CDHG. Correct. CDHG. Yes. CDHG. One more.
CDML.
Correct. CDML. That's correct. Any other possibility?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
So CD is ivaga any other thing also it won't be there. CE not possible, CF not possible, CG andre illi repeat agutte, CH not possible, CI not possible, no CJ, no CK, CL andre illi repeat agutte. So not considered. CM, CN also not possible. Okay, so letter C is done. Any doubt with letter C?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Letter D in the check madi. First combination with letter D is DE. Correct. DE not possible because there is no line. DF not possible. DG not possible. DH in the check madi.
No, ma'am.
No, because it's already repeated. Okay. Next DI not possible. DJ, DK, DL not possible. DM in the it is already repeated here. DN also not possible. So letter D is done. Okay, letter D in the separate again we won't get any rectangle. Now come to letter E.
EF. EF, JK.
EF. Orderly let us do it. EF, KJ.
EF.
Next, EF in the any other possibility?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, no other possibility with EF. Next, EG.
EGLJ.
EGLJ. Correct. Next, EH.
HMJ.
EHMJ. Correct. Next, EF, EG, EH, EI combination in the is there anything?
EINJ.
EINJ. Correct. Correct. Okay. Now EJ already combination ella aito. So matte repeat agalla. EK not possible. EL not possible. EM, EN also not possible. So letter E is done. Okay. Next F in the what is the first combination?
FG.
FG. Tell me first rectangle enu.
FGLK.
Okay. FGLK. FG. Okay.
FHMK.
Yes.
FHMK.
Can you repeat? FH?
LK.
MK. Correct. Next.
FINK.
FINK. Any other possibility?
No, ma'am.
No, because FJ, FK, FL, FM, FN, no possible illa. So F is also done. Next.
GH.
What's the next? Okay. GH.
ML.
ML. Next.
GINL.
GINL. Correct. Any other possibility?
No, ma'am. No.
So letter G done. Next, what is the next combination?
HI.
Yes, what is it?
HINM.
HINNM. Correct. HINM. Any other possibility? HJ, HK, HL, HM, HN. Any other possibility?
No, ma'am.
No. Letter H done. I in the check madi. Enadru baratta with I? IJ, IK, IL, IM, IN?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ivaga e 5 letters remaining. With this, anything is possible because all letters are in straight line. So straight line alidre, can you make a rectangle?
No, ma'am.
No. So if you want, you can check JK, JL, JM, JN. All are in straight line. So rectangle not possible. So all we have checked. Now count and tell me the number of rectangles.
15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
16,
7,
ma'am.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
16,
Is the
ma'am.
answer. Yes, 16 is correct. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ if you look at this directly ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ figure you will directly count 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಅಷ್ಟೇ you will direct ಆಗಿ count ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you can see only 6 rectangles directly but combination also consider ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ that is why this method you should use okay write alphabets like this order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will cover all the possibilities okay ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ you will see only 6 but final actual answer ಏನು correct answer is 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 more rectangles are there in this figure which ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ we might not figure out those 10 rectangles okay understood why you should use this method
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Yes, ma'am.
yeah okay okay then for today this is it tomorrow also I will repeat the same thing just one last question nale I will stop this topic okay so that's it for today any doubts anyone
No, ma'am.
okay. That's it for today we'll meet in the next class thank you
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.